Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use this explainer character add-on in Blender. This is just a lightweight add-on that add a character into your scene and you can just customize the body. To install this add-on, just go to edit, preference, and go here and go to the add-on here. Just click on here. I'm going to install from navigate to where you have the add-on. Just click on it and install. It will appear on our sidebar here called explainer characters. This is Ama. So I'm going to add this character into this. Just click on add and it's going to add. But the first thing is here is this add-on works with AutoRake Pro. So you must have AutoRake Pro installed before some of the features will be work. Let's add the character. So I'm going to click on add character and this will add this girl character into our scene. So this is how she looks. Okay, so let's select the character read and let's go to AutoRake tab, and here it said update required. So just click on update and click on OK. After this, let's go back to our explainer here, and now we can just go here. We have colors. We can change the skin color, change to whatever you want. Okay, so this use a basic shading settings. Everything here is basic, not something big. Okay, so right, if you generate your character, you can just work on the skin, and also you can add your cloth to hair as you want. So you can change this one. You can also add makeups, can change the makeups color. You can change the roughness, the skin roughness also here, and the lips roughness. Let's go to the morph target. For the morph target, you can just click on randomize and this will generate new set of shapes using combination of different shape keys on this character. So let's click on this and you can see we get different set of new generation. We can just click on reset and this will reset to our default character. We have strength. This how strong the randomize is. Example, so now I decrease this one to maybe 0.2 and I randomize. You can see they look same, they don't move high. Okay, when I increase it, the strength used to randomize the shape keys are going to be high. I don't know. Okay, so this is what we have. Let me reset it. Right now, when you go to here, we can randomize the body, the face. We can randomize the head and face only. We also have mouth. This one will randomize only the mouth. Okay, so let me set this one to 1 and this one to 0, and you can see how randomized it is. See, we also have the body. This will randomize only the body. Here we have type. This is a pre-made shape keys. This pre-made morph. Okay, so you can see this complete. You can use this, and also type 2. This one, she has weight letter, and this type 3 with skinny, and also have type 4. This one is weight. Okay, so you can use any of this, and after that you can blend to any of this. Okay, so that's how it works. Let me turn this one on right now. If you know you're not going to use the height, that's fine. If you don't have AutoRake, you don't need to change the height. If you change the height, you can see the rake is not matching the mesh. Okay, you can see when I change the height, the rake is not following. Okay, so this will make it hard to animate because you can see it quiet the hand and it's not following the mesh. See how it is. This is where we need to have AutoRake Pro installed. So if you are facing this problem, just go here, AutoRake integration, and just click on match to rake. And now let's wait for it to calculate, and it's going to match this to our rate. Right now, after it's matched, you can see everything seems work fine right now. So this is what we have. Now the next thing is we also have apply morph shape keys. If this morph is still on your character and you try to export this into other program, or you want to export it, the morph or going to be deleted. It's not going to export that one. Okay, it's going to reset the morph. So all you need is apply this, and this one will become the base shape key of your character. This is how it's going to be. So I'm going to apply the morph shape keys, and let's wait for it to apply them. After it has applied, we can see the morph blend shape has been removed, but we can't add any character ARKit because we already have this character set as active working on it. So to add another character to finalize this, just click on done, and you need to add different name to it. Okay, so I'm going to type any name like girl, and I'm going to click OK. Right now we can see the add character button appear. So we have here we can add another character also into our scene, and right now we have all this we can use to also customize it. But before, let me select this. Right now, when I select this character, we go on this shape keys here. We have the character comes with the 52 ARKit blend shapes. Okay, it comes with this. Let me go here. We have eye blink. Okay, and I look down. It comes with all these 52 ARKit blend shapes you can use to animate your character. Okay, it also comes with all these shape keys, and also it has the viseme shape keys. You can use it with Auto Lip Sync Pro. So let me show you a quick view on this. Okay, Auto Lip Sync Pro is another Blender add-on that can use to animate the character mouth just from audio. So since this character already comes with the viseme shape keys, you don't need to create it. So what you need is just go here. So I'm just going to demonstrate it. So here I just add audio. There's a speed view, so I'm going to show how this character can be used with the Auto Lip Sync Pro. I click on process. You can see it's converting this audio. I push the audio onto our sequence.
Mia, did you hear the strange sound coming from the art room after school yesterday?
So this is the audio I loaded. I'm going to sync to audio and scrap. So after it has converted into text, let's go to Auto Lip Sync using shape keys. So here I'm just going to assign my character, and here it say all shape keys found. So just click on generate. It has all these settings. Right now I'm going to leave the default and click OK. So we can see from here there are keyframes on them, and let me preview for you to see.
Mia, did you hear the strange sound coming from the art room after school yesterday? I was packing my bag when I suddenly heard something fall inside the classroom.
Okay, so with this add-on, we can just with the Auto Lip Sync Pro and with ExplainerCharacter, you can just generate your character and animate it with Auto Lip Sync Pro. And also the body or the rig also work with Remotion Pro. You can just go here, assign your rig, and load animation to her, and it's going to look fine. Okay, so that is how this one
Mia, did you hear the strange
you can
sound
see
coming
the
from the
frame
art room
drop
after school yesterday?
because that's the reason why you don't see the lips.
I was packing my bag when I suddenly heard something fall inside the classroom. Mia, did you hear the strange sound coming from the art room after school yesterday?
This character comes with blink shape keys, so I can just go here and auto blink. Okay, and I'm going to assign my character body here, and this one I'm going to choose blink left and blink right, and I can generate the blink. I can decrease this one so that she can blink more, and let me decrease it to be 5, and then I'm going to leave the rest. So this one, let me decrease the strength. Okay, let's see.
Mia, did you hear the strange sound coming from the art room after school yesterday?
Okay, I think it made the character blink not close, right? So I'm going to set it to 0.8. So here we can see that blink shape key here. When you go here, we can see this here, the blink.
Sound coming from the art room after school yesterday? I was packing my bag when I suddenly heard something fall inside the classroom.
So this add-on is just a lightweight add-on. It don't come with many features. It's just a character with morph shape keys and 52 ARKit blend shapes, and also viseme shape keys, a basic with auto rig. So it's not something big. Okay, it doesn't have any cloth. This is just pant and brush she's wearing, nothing more. Okay, and this shoe. So this is only what it's inside the add-on, nothing big. So thank you for watching and see you
After
next
school
video.
yesterday?